How to round up a number in Excel to the nearest even integer. So these are all odd numbers that is located on this column. We want to round it up to the nearest even integer. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. In order for us to convert everything we have under odds to the nearest even integer, make sure you locate the corresponding cell that you want to convert its value to the nearest even integer. Then proceed to tap on equal to even. Make sure to tap on bracket open, then select the cell that you want to convert it. In this case is this one. After that, you tap on bracket close and enter. So this has converted this value to the nearest even integer, and we can replicate this to the various cells we have below. And to do that, all you have to do is to make sure the cell is selected, then navigate to this angle of the cell, then click and hold and drag it down. So this will make sure all the information that we have here and the odds are converted to the nearest even integer. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.